Hello everyone, you're welcome back to Chess with Devans, and today I've come back with another interesting endgame puzzle, and this is a white to move and mate black in 2 moves. So yeah, it's a mate in 2 puzzle. You are playing as white, you're supposed to move fast and then mate black within 2 moves. This is a quick one because it has very few variations, but let's see how good your endgame capabilities are. So if you don't mind, pause the video, try to solve it, and then come back when you've found it. Good luck. Alright, so did you find the 2 moves that white has to play to mate black? Please let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to like the video and also subscribe. Okay, let's try to solve the puzzle. So the first move, the first instinct would be capturing the rook on g7. So if we capture the rook, do we get to mate black in the next move? Literally no. Actually, it would be a mate if black played f8. This is mate, right? But then black doesn't have to do that. Black could actually play h8, and after h8 there is no mate in the next move. Even if you try to play king b7 to leave a discovered check, then black will actually capture the rook and there's no mate, right? So that's not the move we are looking for. Capturing the rook is not the good idea. What about trying to check on a1? That's not a mate because black still has where to escape from, and after that there's no mate. Even if you try to leave a discovered check, black has an escape route and there's no mate. Okay, so yeah, that's not the move we are looking for. And then someone would be like, okay, let's play a waiting move by the rook so that we create a gap to leave black in a discovered check. For example, c7, so that we put our king on b7. But the problem is after doing that, then black is just going to capture the rook, and after you capture back, maybe you capture back with the king and leave a discovered check, black still has an escape route, and those are 2 moves, but there is no mate. So that's not the move we are looking for. Now there is one move that really actually wins us this game, and let us know if you found it. That would be queen g1. The idea of queen g1 is that it pins the rook to the king, and that means the only place the rook can move is through the g file. For example, if black plays maybe along the g file, then going to a7 is what is mate. That's a discovered mate. But then even if black tries to capture the queen, still the same concept works, right? So black can't do anything about it. And even if black decides not to play the rook and actually play the king, still g7 is mate. So there is nothing black can do about it. That is mate. And even if black actually plays the king here, so that even if you capture the rook, it's not a mate. This time around, if black plays f8, you still give him the discovered check. So whatever black tries to do, you mate it in the next move. So queen g1 was the solution to the puzzle. Let us know if you found it in the comment section. Don't forget to like the video and also subscribe if it's your first time being here. Until next video, have a good day.